Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 3081st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. So I wanted to come out with a quick video this evening because the market has changed complexion. For trading on Thursday, the Omni has gone red. Now, this is the same weekly chart I showed you in last night's video, and nothing goes straight up, as I mentioned to you, but that doesn't look terrible. But I wanted to let you know right away, market changed, Omni arrow changed, it is red. We are selling rallies for even the S&P NASDAQ for trading on Thursday. Let me show you something else. Let's look here. I believe we're going to 20. NASDAQ still looks fantastic, right? Nothing wrong with that weekly look, but nothing goes straight up, as we're going to notice in just a moment. So if you look here at the dailies, that's a little bit different. Nothing goes straight up, kids. We know this, right? Nothing goes straight up. If you remember, the last time we pulled back, we actually pulled back a little bit. So we don't always just have green bars, right? Nothing goes straight up. The Omni is red, and we'll take it. We will be extremely nimble because we are against the trend, right? So we will be jumping out as quickly as it lets us if it fills us. But I wanted to make sure that you've seen that. Now, what's making this happen? Well, it's kind of easy. Look at this. Very simple. What made this happen was this. One day. It just took one day of bonds going down, which makes interest rates go up, and the stock market got scared immediately. One day. That was all it took. Now, the other thing, of course, is this. If you look up here, this is not going away. The Omni's still green. Crude oil is still rallying, and it looks good. Now, crude oil rallying, if the bonds rally with the crude, interest rates don't go up, and we're okay. But that's not the case. On Wednesday, crude went up, but as I showed you, the bonds did not. So they need to be together in order for the stock market to go up. It is that sensitive right now, which is why I've been showing you these very same charts in every video for the last 2 weeks. It's that sensitive. On top of this, gold looks pretty ugly if you ask me. And let's go back to this chart because remember, this is the actual picture. Overall, very strong look to it. Nothing goes straight up. We will be looking to sell the rallies for trading on Thursday. Traders, I hope that helps. I wanted to get this out to you right away so that you see it for yourselves. Thank you for everything you're doing in the OMNIPHOENIX token. You OMNIX are doing exactly what I asked you to do. Thank you so much. I will do exactly what I told you I will do. Viva la OMNIPHOENIX. Great job, OMNIPHOENIX trading token holders. Barring that, let me say, stop soar in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for everything you do. Please leave your comments below, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.